Ever found yourself at checkout, scanning for that familiar FavePay QR code, only to realize you're online and there's no scanner in sight? You've got your Fave app open, loyalty points gleaming, ready to snag that sweet discount, but then, a blank. How do you tell FavePay how much you're actually spending? It's a common moment of confusion, especially when you're used to the seamless in-store scan and pay experience. But here's the good news: using FavePay Online is just as straightforward, if not even more so, once you know the trick. We're talking about unlocking those fantastic FavePay deals and cashback rewards from the comfort of your couch, whether you're ordering your favorite pizza, buying new clothes, or booking a staycation. No more missing out on savings just because you're not physically at the store. The beauty of FavePay lies in its ability to integrate with various merchants, both brick and mortar and online. For physical stores, it's all about the QR code. You scan, the amount is often pre-filled, and you confirm. Easy peasy. But the online world operates a little differently. There's no physical scanner to point your phone at, and the merchant's website typically handles the total calculation. So, where does FavePay fit into this digital dance, and how do you ensure the correct bill amount is communicated? The key distinction for online FavePay transactions is that the merchant is responsible for initiating the payment link with the correct amount. You, as the customer, don't manually enter the bill amount into your Fave app when checking out online. Instead, the process flows directly from the merchant's website to your Fave app. Here's how it typically works. First, you will browse your chosen online merchant's website and add all your desired items to your shopping cart, just as you normally would. Once you're satisfied with your selections and are ready to finalize your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. This is where FavePay comes into play. On the payment options section of the merchant's website, you'll look for the FavePay logo or option. It might be listed alongside other payment gateways like credit card, debit card, or other e-wallets. Select FavePay as your preferred payment method. Upon selecting FavePay, the merchant's website will typically redirect you to a secure FavePay payment portal, or a pop-up window will appear. This portal is crucial because it acts as the bridge between the merchant's checkout system and your Fave app. On this FavePay portal, you won't be prompted to enter the bill amount yourself. Instead, the merchant system will have already passed the total amount due for your order to FavePay. This is why it's so important to have your shopping cart finalized before you select FavePay. The amount you see displayed on the FavePay portal will be the exact total from your shopping cart. Your next step will be to confirm the payment on your Fave app. Depending on the integration, you might be asked to log into your Fave app, if you aren't already, or a push notification will be sent to your device, prompting you to approve the transaction. When you open the Fave app, you'll see the merchant's name and the pre-filled bill amount. This is your moment to double-check that the amount matches your order total from the merchant's website. If everything looks correct, you simply confirm the payment within your Fave app, often by entering your PIN or using your fingerprint/Face ID. Once you've confirmed the payment in your Fave app, you'll be redirected back to the merchant's website, where you'll receive a confirmation of your order. It's that simple. So, to reiterate, you don't manually enter the bill amount when checking out on FavePay Online. The merchant's website does that for you, ensuring accuracy and a smooth, secure transaction. Your role is simply to select FavePay as your payment method and then confirm the pre-filled amount within your Fave app. It's a fantastic system that leverages the convenience of online shopping with the savings power of FavePay. No more fumbling with cash or cards, and certainly no more confusion about how to input that total. Just a few clicks, a quick confirmation, and your savings are secured. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.